If you're like me and you enjoy reading in bed and don't want to light up the entire room, this Gritin rechargeable book light provides an adjustable illumination in a compact clip-on design. The horizontal light head contains 19 LED lights and it spreads across both pages more evenly than a narrow spotlight, and it helps reduce bright lights and heavy shadows while you're reading. The controls are located on the top. You have your on-off, you have your 3 color temperatures, an amber light which creates a warm glow for nighttime reading, a mixed gives you a natural appearance, and natural white for a cool, brighter look. Each color also has 5 brightness levels. There's a softer light in a dark bedroom, or you can increase the brightness when more illumination is needed. The memory function allows you, when you turn it off, to return right to the light setting that you had on previously. The flexible gooseneck bends and rotates, and it allows you to position the light over the page without shining it towards someone next to you. And that's extremely important if you want to save your marriage. And the padded clip grip holds onto the book securely by helping to protect the covers and the pages of the book so you won't tear them easily. It also recharges to a USB cable, which is included, and it runs approximately 12 to 90 hours depending on the color selected, the brightness level, and naturally the duration of use. So let's take a look at it in action. As you can see, it clips on easily. It won't tear the pages. Let's take a look at the brightness level. Here we have the amber light and the natural cool light. And how about the intensity? The lowest setting, gradually see how bright this gets. This is perfect for reading in your bedroom. It's perfect for the dorm so you don't annoy your dorm mates. It's also great some repair work in a tight space. I also use it for automotive work. So overall, the wide headlights, the 3 color temperatures, the brightness levels, the flexible neck and memory function, along with the USB charging, make this a really practical light for reading in bed, traveling, studying, and for me, it's a definite gotta get.